Every day when you're walking down the street, everybody that you meet has an original point of view. And I say, hey, what a wonderful kind of day. If you can learn to work and play and get along with each other. You got to listen to your heart, listen to the beat, listen to the rhythm of the street. Open up your eyes, open up your ears, get together and make things better by working together. It's a simple message and it comes from the heart. Oh, believe in yourself, for that's the place to start. And I say, hey, what a wonderful kind of day. You can learn to work and play and get along with each other. Hey! What a wonderful kind of day. Hey! What a wonderful kind of day.
Hey! Hey, DW!
Hey!
Whoa!
Guess what, Muffster? Tomorrow I go to Italy for a week-long business trip, and you're coming with me.
Oh, Daddy! The opera! The fashion!
The pasta.
Wait, but what about the bake sale?
Bake sale? Muffin, there's plenty of baked goods in Italy.
No, we're having a sale to raise money for the school theater, and I'm the head of the organizing committee.
Well, I'm sure your friends can survive without you for 1 week.
Can they? Muffy! I want my Muffy!
Muffy misses out.
Okay, the bake sale is the day I return, and we don't have a theme yet. Ideas, people!
We, make some muffins and sell them?
Muffins? No! We have to dazzle them, capture the customer's imagination.
We sell muffins shaped like camels.
Nice, but the muffin trays would cost a bundle, and we don't have the overhead. Barnes, what do you got?
No homework. Oh, sorry. I was still thinking about the fact that you get a whole week without homework.
Relax. Mr. Ratburn said I have to give a presentation on the Italian Renaissance when I get back. Now focus!
Okay. What about Chinese dumplings?
Binky, it's a bake sale.
So, we'll bake the dumplings.
No to the dumplings, but you've given me an idea. We do a regional cuisine.
Right. That's what I meant.
We'll sell Italian pastries. There's romance in a cannoli. Madonna, you do the baking. Sue Ellen, you decorate. And Binky, you handle the music.
Can I play anything I want?
Sure, so long as it's 19th century Italian opera. Well, what are you waiting for? You've got your assignments. Get to work!
What's a cannoli?
Daddy said pack light, so I'm only bringing 3 suitcases. But do you think I should pack my ball gown? Hello, Earth de Francine.
Oh, sorry, yeah. Sure, bring the gown.
What's wrong?
It's just Catherine. She promised to take me bowling this weekend, but now she's backing out. Like always.
Well, lucky for you, you have a best friend with lots of older brother experience. You have to play hard to get.
Really?
It never fails. Just ignore her, and she'll be begging to hang out with you.
I guess it's worth a shot.
Oh, what are you going to do without me?
That'll be one boffo presentation, Muffster.
Thanks, Daddy. I'm just sad that jet lag made me sleep late. I hope they remembered everything for the bake sale. What's going on?
Muffy, the sale is doing great. We've already raised enough to buy a new curtain for the stage.
I knew it! You can't beat the allure of an Italian pastry. I brought more straight from Italy.
Oh, we're not selling Italian pastries.
What?
Since we didn't know how to make cannoli, LaDonna suggested a dessert from her hometown instead.
New Orleans beignets! Hey, mes chers, have a sweet treat from the Big Easy.
I'll pass.
I'll take it. It's like eating a cloud.
What do you think of my decorations? Pretty eye-catching, huh?
But this doesn't evoke Italy.
Well, no, but LaDonna said these masks and feathers really do evoke Louisiana.
Yeah, and people love them.
But... What is that?
Dixieland Jazz.
We agreed on opera.
Here, take all my money. I need more chewy clouds.
Aren't you happy? It's a huge success.
No, it isn't. It's a disaster. Francine, thank goodness. I really need to talk. Did you see what they did? They ignored all my suggestions.
Hey, you're back. Sorry, I was listening to this New Orleans jazz Binky gave me. I'm really into it. What were you saying?
Oh, just something about the bake sale.
Wasn't it great?
No, not you too.
Not me what?
Can I start my presentation now, Mr. Ratburn? This is the Tower of Pisa, where Galileo did some science experiments. But the important thing is, he was right, and no one listened to him. No one! This is a big square in Venice, where lots of famous Renaissance figures would sit and eat cannoli because they're delicious. And this is the statue by the great Renaissance artist Michelangelo, who was also famous for his amazing bake sales.
I don't think that's accurate.
Yes, it is. And tomorrow, I'm going to throw a genius bake sale, and it's going to make more money than the crummy one we had today. The end! Cannoli, take your mouth on a trip to Italy?
I'll take one.
Si, signora. Paisan!
They're a little stale. How many have you sold?
Counting yours, 1.
I'll take one.
2. See? Now we're cooking.
Only I spent all my money on beignets.
Oh, you and everyone else. Just eat whatever you want.
Oh, I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna put it in my cabinet of curiosities.
Oh, this bake sale is a bust. I guess they didn't really need my help after all. In fact, no one needs me.
That's not true. I do.
You do? Oh, yeah! I gave you that great advice about Catherine. Did you ignore her like I told you?
No. We just talked about it instead, and she changed her plans and went bowling with me.
Ah! See? I am useless. Ciao, Lakewood. Remember me.
Muffy, wait! You're overreacting!
Bailey, could you tell Daddy I'm feeling sick? I don't think I can go to school today. At least you still need me, Waldo.
Amazing! I think this cannoli has the same density as wood.
Where's Muffy? We're supposed to have a bake sale committee meeting today to decide what to do with the leftover money.
I think she's out sick. Buster, can I borrow your phone?
Hello? Hello?
Hey, it's me. Are you okay? You want me to bring you your homework?
Why bother? What's the point of school if you don't matter to anyone?
Oh, brother. Are you still upset about yesterday?
No. Maybe. Anyway, why do you care? Soon, I'll just be a memory. Arrivederci, my friend.
Is she sick?
Yeah, she has a broken ego.
Whoa! Is she gonna get a cast?
I think Francine means her pride is hurt, because we didn't take her suggestions for the bake sale.
But we did. I mean, maybe not all of them, but doing a regional cuisine was her idea.
I wouldn't have played any music unless she had mentioned it.
And she did actually help me with Catherine. I didn't know how upset I was until I talked to Muffy about it.
Should we just go over and talk to her?
Yes, but you may want to add a little drama.
Why, yes, I can suggest a good hair product for your fur, Waldo.
Muffy, it's me, Sue Ellen. Can I come in?
1 moment. Enter.
Oh, it's just terrible, terrible.
What is it?
There was money left over from the bake sale, so we thought we'd decorate the stage curtain. But LaDonna and Vinky have gotten into a huge fight about it.
We're painting wrestlers on it. End of story.
Oh, not on my watch, you pie-faced possum! Wrestling isn't even a real sport!
You take that back, Thompson.
Try and make me, Peaches!
Stop! Stop! Have you two lost your minds?
Maybe we should just give the money away.
No! Decorating the curtain is a great idea, but you have to listen to each other.
I don't suppose you have any ideas.
Sure could use a little help.
As it so happens, I just might have an idea or two.
Oh, thank you. You can't imagine how much this committee needs you.
Okay, enough lollygagging. Let's walk and talk. Barnes, bathrobe, pronto. Now, we want it to be colorful, but not garish. The theatrical event starts when you enter the theater. Ideas, people, ideas.
So, are wrestlers completely out of the question?
Next up on Arthur, John Lewis visits Arthur's school. Here's what we've learned about John Lewis. We made posters, we made maps, we did research to learn about John Lewis.
He worked in the civil rights movement with Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., and he helped create equal rights.
John Lewis is an activist. An activist is somebody who's involved in changing the world. Starting in the early 1960s, he organized protests against segregation. Under segregation, black people weren't getting treated the same way as white people. He thought it wasn't fair that black people could not do things that white people could do.
John Lewis was part of the march from Selma to Montgomery, Alabama.
It was one of the states that made it really hard for black people to vote. The march was a protest against that. John Lewis was beaten by police and he was arrested. Finally, the Selma March helped change the laws. John Lewis and the other activists, they protested for their rights, and even though people tried to stop them and even hurt them, they kept on trying and kept on going. He did nonviolent protests. John Lewis did not want to hurt people. He just wanted to get his message across. And now he is a congressman and he lives in Georgia. If John Lewis came to my classroom, I would tell him, "Thank you for making the world better."
Listen to your heart, listen to the beat, listen to the rhythm of the street. Open up your eyes, open up your ears, get together and make things better by working together. It's a simple message, yeah, and it comes from the heart. Believe in yourself, for that's the place to start.